Hey there, have you seen the Chinese drama, The First Frost? If not, no problem, I'm here to show you how to crochet the mini strawberry cape from that special scene. It's really simple, so come and make it with me. First, we'll crochet the cake body. Create a magic ring. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Join with a slip stitch. Row 2, chain 1, then crochet 6 increases, which means crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Join with a slip stitch. Continue to chain 1. The following rows are the same. Start with a chain 1 and end with a slip stitch. Row 3, start with a single crochet. Next stitch, make 1 increase. Repeat the sequence. 1 single crochet, 1 increase to the end of the row. Join with a slip stitch. For row 4 to row 5, we will perform progressive increases as per the formula I've put on the screen, crocheting similarly to row 3, but with a different number of single crochets at the beginning of the increase. Row 6 will be worked entirely in the back loops, so we will join row 5 in the back loops. Now, single crochet in each stitch. Remember to work in the back loops. From row 7 to row 14, single crochet in each stitch. For row 15, we'll start decreasing, beginning with 3 single crochets. Then crochet 1 decrease, Repeat the sequence, 3 single crochets, 1 decrease to the end of the row. Row 16, continue decreasing with 2 single crochets, 1 decrease. Row 17, similarly, we decrease to 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. At this step, stuff it with filling. You can cut a piece of stiff cardboard to line the bottom to help the cake stand more steadily. Last row, we will crochet all decreases. Last row, we will crochet all decreases. For the cream part, we still create a magic ring, crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. From row 2 to row 6, we crochet the same way as we did for the cake base. You can see the repeating formula on the screen. Row 7, first we'll crochet a single crochet. In the next stitch, crochet a half double crochet. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. A triple crochet. Two triple crochets in the same stitch. A triple crochet. Two double crochets in the same stitch. A half double crochet. A single crochet. Finally, a slip stitch, ending one repeat. Repeat this pattern 2 more times. A single crochet, a half double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, a triple crochet, two triple crochets in the same stitch, a triple crochet, two double crochets in the same stitch, a half double crochet, a single crochet, a slip stitch, now let's crochet the mini strawberry. Create a magic ring. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. At the end of the row, we immediately begin row 2 with a single crochet. Mark the first single crochet stitch. Work 1 single crochet increase into the previous stitch. Repeat the increases to the end of the row. Row 3, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Row 4, decrease in every stitch. Stuff with a little fiber fill and sew the opening closed. And we have a mini strawberry. Crochet a total of 5 strawberries. Now we just need to glue them together. Add a keychain, and we have a cute strawberry cake keychain. Thank you for watching the video. See you again.